Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
This is a work of art.
Let's start. First, open any editing application. Go to New Project and add 1 video and 14 photos. Select Format 9:16 and adjust photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set video and photos to this time duration. Now check the video. Now, select resolution and export the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.